Hi, my name is Irina. I'm an architect, artist, and designer. For many years, I have been drawing illustrations for photo stocks, paintings for the worlds, and my customers creating jewelry worn by creative women. And now I want to share my skills with you. As it turned out, I had lost the skill of drawing faces and figures. Well, all the more interesting we'll practice with you. I don't like the camera. There are people who like to take pictures of themselves and show them on the internet. That is not me. I'd rather draw something and draw something else and draw something else. Welcome to my channel. Let's draw together. Creativity is a lot of excitement.